Rhode Island. Facts about Rhode Island. The capital is Providence and it is located in the eastern side of Rhode Island. Rhode Island's size in total of land and water is 1,545 square miles. Rhode Island is the smallest of all the American states. The population of Rhode Island is about 1.06 million people. Rhode Island is the 13th state in USA, so they were there when USA got independent. Rhode Island is bordering up to Connecticut and Massachusetts in the Atlantic Ocean. Rhode Island has a motto and it is hope. Hope also stands on their flag.
What to see in Rhode Island? The five biggest cities in Rhode Island in size and population order: Providence, Warwick, Cranston, Pawtucket, East Providence. In Roger Williams Park, there's a zoo and there's also a big park where you can walk in peace and see the beautiful nature. In Providence, there are six theaters. The best one is Trinity Reporting Company. Arcadia has a beautiful forest where you can hike and get to see some amazing views, where you can see the beautiful forest from above. You can also go to the Water and Fire award-winning sculpture by Barnaby Evans in Providence, Newport Cliff Walk, a public access walkway along the shoreline in Newport, RISD Museum, Art Museum in Providence, Maple House, it's a museum in Newport, Syracuse Beach, beach in Middletown in Rhode Island, Beavertail Lighthouse, it's a lighthouse and museum in Jamestown.
History about Rhode Island. Rhode Island is number 13, which means that it was the 13th state that was found, and one of the first. Before they got independent, there were some very English Americans who disguised themselves as Native American, and they threw a lot of tea in Boston Harbor.
They got independent on September 13th, 1738, after some wild battles with the Englishmen. The 13th state began to move west and gain more and more land. King Philip had a war between him and the Native Americans. It was known as King Philip and the Indian War, and the war took 2.5 years to finish. And it took 2.5 years to finish the war.